in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. Anyway, celery. A lot of people have been using celery for juice, drink, and all different kind of stuff. I'm gonna make a nice, lovely, fresh celery drink. Very good for you. Clean out your immune system. You drink this like 5 mornings straight, you see some results. Over here, as you can see, this is the other celery which I've been using. This is what left. I've been making drink now over the last 6 mornings now, okay? And decided to share some of my fun. Take the time out to say thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus. Me get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always have the best recipe in this whole entire world. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Celery drink or juice from Chef Ricardo today. Hello. Enjoy. So basically, this is a celery, and been using this over the last couple of days. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, come on. Let me do it. Yeah? So what I'm gonna do, wash off this. So first thing is cut up a cucumber. I'm using cucumber also. Second thing is celery. Because celery is very strong, so it's good to mix it with something. If you have some fresh ginger, it's good to put some fresh ginger inside of it, bringing a lovely flavor. Lemon. Squeeze some lemon juice inside of it like that. If you have some, as I said, if you have some fresh ginger, it's good. I'm gonna use a little bit of ginger powder. And a cup of water. Cover. And blend it for about 5 to 6 seconds. Very good recipe. Nice. Once you do that, then very easy to straight get my glass. I'm just gonna drink it natural. I was going to put some honey, change your mind. So just gonna pour it off. Just like that. Alright, so you could strain it right off to the, you know what I mean, but Just gonna be leaving that little bit inside of it, so I'm gonna pour it in my cup. Nice one. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. Celery drink with cucumber, freshly, nicely, and also tastable. So why not enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel? You can, I want to say, you can drink it with some, you know what I mean, put a little bit of natural, raw, authentic honey inside of it. Well, I didn't do that. I just drink it just like that. As you can see, it's freshly, nicely. Got some cucumber and the lemon, a little bit of ginger powder inside of it. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and please subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Thank you for watching. Chef Ricardo Show. See you next time. Bye-bye.